Looking to start your musical journey or upgrade your home setup in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, finding the right digital piano makes all the difference. In this video, we're featuring the best digital pianos of 2025, packed with performance, tech, and sound quality that can elevate your playing experience. Links to every model are in the description. Let's jump in. Yamaha P-225 digital piano. If you want a truly premium feel in a compact design, the Yamaha P-225 is the one to beat. With 88 fully weighted wooden keys, this model gives you an authentic grand piano touch. Yamaha's virtual resonance modeling makes every note feel alive, and the onboard CFX and Bösendorfer piano voices deliver world-class sound. It's perfect for intermediate to advanced players who demand realism without a bulky frame. Check the description for the best deal on this beauty. Roland F107 digital piano. Sleek, modern, and built for the home, the Roland F107 is a beginner's dream with pro-level sound. It's compact but powerful, featuring Roland's supernatural piano technology for rich, expressive tones and 88 weighted keys for proper technique development. Plus, Bluetooth MIDI and audio let you connect to learning apps or play along with your favorite songs. Link in the description if you're ready to start playing in style. The Casio P-XS5000 is where elegant design meets portable functionality. It has 88 hybrid weighted keys, Bluetooth audio and MIDI, and a clean, glossy finish that looks amazing in any room. The smart hybrid hammer action mimics the feel of an acoustic piano, while the touch sensor controls keep it modern and minimalist. A great choice for players on the go or those who need something sleek but capable. All details and pricing are linked below. Yamaha ARIUS YDP 145. If you're after that classic upright look and a fantastic sound profile, check out the Yamaha YDP 145. Ideal for beginners and hobbyists, it features the GHS weighted action, stereo sampling of the Yamaha CFX Concert Grand, and a traditional rosewood finish. This piano brings elegance and quality to your living room or studio. It also includes built-in songs and lesson tools, making it great for self-learners. Full specs and pricing. Check the description. AODSK 88 Key Beginner Digital Piano. On a budget but still want quality? The AODSK Beginner Digital Piano offers a full 88 key range with semi-weighted keys, MIDI, and USB support, and a headphone jack for quiet practice. It includes essential accessories like a music stand, pedal, and power adapter, plus piano lessons to get you started. This is perfect for new players or parents looking to gift a solid first instrument. It's one of the best beginner options. Link below to grab yours. No matter where you are in your piano journey, there's a digital piano here to match your goals and style. Want pro-level touch and tone? Go with Yamaha or Casio. Need something compact and beginner-friendly? Roland or AODSK has you covered.